Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. And today we will be talking about coronavirus. It can prove fatal for US and see more deaths compared to September 2001, the 9/11 and Pearl Harbor attack every day next 4 to 5 months. The planetary positions are extremely enigmatic, especially the eclipse of the 14th December 2020 taking place in the fourth house of the foundation chart. And since the Gemini sign has been allocated to US by Varahamira, it is in the sixth house from Gemini, and the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter is taking place in the eighth house of the chart from Gemini. So it is most crucial, and it has been observed in the past that whenever there is affliction from Gemini sign, whenever there is affliction from the Gemini sign in the 6th, 7th and 8th, then US has suffered a lot. Now I will read it out. Coronavirus could prove fatal for US and see more deaths as compared to September 2001 and Pearl Harbor attack every day next 4 to 5 months. At the time of Pearl Harbor and the 2001, there were deaths for almost about 3,000. So we can expect about 3,000 deaths every day, especially because this conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter, which is taking place in the 8th from the Gemini sign, and Jupiter losing in war, and this Jupiter becomes the first class Marak for Gemini. It becomes a first class Marak, being the Vadak as the seventh lord, as Vadak, then Marak, and then it has Kendradipati dosh and going in debilitation, and then in planetary war in the 8th house is most enigmatic for US, especially for all those countries which are represented by Gemini. So this transit and this eclipse, especially where the eclipse is visible. Now it has been observed by me that whether the eclipse is visible or not, the effects will be definitely felt, because there is a planetary war. So the effects of the eclipse are not there, but the effect of the planetary war of Jupiter and Saturn will definitely felt by all the countries throughout the world. So friends, and the sun and moon, the luminaries in Gandanta at the time of the eclipse of the 14th December 2020 is most enigmatic and venomous. So and I will you see the chart. I have given all the details, and if you compare at the time of Pearl Harbor, I will read it out. The article is written with reference to the coronavirus spread in US after the solar eclipse, which could be worse for US, as can be seen from the planetary position. The Jupiter, the Jiva planet, will be in afflicted condition in Capricorn till the 5th April 2021. Is a matter of concern for the mankind, for diseases, prosperity and wealth. The luminaries in the Gandanta at 29 degrees add fuel to the fire, along with Rahu adverse for 28 days in the month of December 2020. Why specifically US is for the simple reason that Saturn is the 6th and the 7th lord for Leo ascendant and of US, and Jupiter is the 5th and the 8th lord. This conjunction therefore is most malefic for the Leo ascendant, more so the conjunction in the 8th house from Gemini sign allocated to US by Varahamira, and the solar ingress in the 6th from Gemini, and the 6th lord fallen at the time of solar eclipse. 6th lord is Mars, so it is also fallen at the time of the eclipse. The total solar eclipse on the 14th December could prove enigmatic for US, India and China, as already mentioned by me in my article. I have written this article. The solar eclipse on the 14th December 2020 taking place in the 7th house of the foundation chart, and the sign Scorpio for India, in the ascendant of the China, the the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter in the ascendant of China, in the fourth house of the US, and in the sixth from the sign Gemini allocated to US by Vrahmira, we have already seen the ill effects for the eclipse even before the eclipse, and actually happening in India because of the agitation of the farmers. Agitation of farmers. It is taking an ugly turn. It is intensified. They are intensifying the agitation because the demands have not been met. Their demands have not been met. So my fear that US will see more deaths every day as compared to Pearl Harbor attack and the 11th September 2001 terrorist attack in the coming 4-5 months, as can be seen from the planetary position. Why we say from the coming 4-5 months? Because Jupiter, the Jiva planet, will be in afflicted condition because it will lose in planetary war. Even if it goes in Aquarius, it is in the sign of Saturn. So we can even say that till Jupiter goes in Pisces, we may not get any relief. And then, as I have already mentioned, that Rahu has to go in Aries and Ketu has to go in Libra, and they have to be in each other's nakshatra. Only then we can get the total relief from coronavirus can only be felt then. But the vaccine could prove a boon after the 24th of December, because Mars will join its own sign, and in an Ashwini nakshatra after crossing the Gandanta. Of course, it will be in Ashwini nakshatra, and it is very good for cure for the virus and disease. But unfortunately, the eclipse taking place in the nakshatra of Jyestha, which is the Gandanta nakshatra between the watery and fiery signs, is not good, and there could be a disease spread also. The disease could spread. The cure is also coming, and the disease could also spread simultaneously. So why the diseases will spread? Because of the sun and the moon are the life-giving forces. They are in Gandanta in this eclipse, and Jupiter is lost. It is debilitated and lost in planetary war, and Mars, the Karka for cure, is fallen, and it is the sixth lord from Gemini sign as far as the US is concerned. So all these combinations are not good. Attack on the Pearl Harbor. The attack took place on the 7th December 1941. Almost, how many years? 79 years are over, and it is the 80th year running, and we all know that every 20 years the Jupiter and Saturn meet. At the time of the Pearl Harbor, Jupiter and Saturn were in the sign Taurus. So and both were retrograde. Now this same condition will happen in Capricorn from the 15th of September to 21st of November. So that period also is not good. We cannot say whether the virus will spread at that time but it is most enigmatic at that point of time also. So in this I have compared the parameters. I will read out. Now see the planetary positions parallel on the day of the solar eclipse 14th December 2020 with the 7th December 1941. Saturn and Jupiter conjunct in earthy sign in both cases. Jupiter fallen at the time of Pearl Harbor attack, now debilitated and will be in planetary war with Saturn. It will also be fallen again, it will go in Aquarius and come back in Capricorn on the 15th of September 2021, and it will be with Saturn in retrograde position. So that time frame is also not good. Sun and Mercury in the sign Scorpio in both cases, and eclipse over this sign on the 14th December 2020. Now Rahu over Saturn and Jupiter over the sign Taurus in the now Rahu over Saturn and Jupiter over the sign Taurus in the time of the Pearl Harbor. Saturn and Jupiter in Capricorn sign now over the Venus at the time of Pearl Harbor. Attack of 9/11. at the time of 9/11, we all know that the Rahu and Ketu were Rahu was in Ardra Nakshatra in the Gemini, and Ketu was in the Mula Nakshatra in the sign Sagittarius at 9.11 degrees. And now the eclipse took place at 9.56, very close to that. And at the time of eclipse there were 6 planets, so that is why such a big happening took place. And it is in the 7th from the Gemini sign. If you see, the eclipse took place in the 7th from the Gemini sign, and in 2001 it was in Sagittarius. Ketu and Mars were very close degrees in the sign Sagittarius. So that is why the 2001 episode took place, because it was 7th from Gemini sign. Now 26th December the eclipse took place in the 7th from Gemini sign. Now it is taking place in the 6th from Gemini sign, and again 5 planets are there. 5 planets are there, and Mercury, the planet, the 6th lord of the natural zodiac, is totally eclipsed with Ketu at 25 degrees. So it is very bad. And at the time of solar eclipse of 2019, Mercury was also with Ketu. It was not in close degrees, but it was 1 degrees, and Ketu was 14 degrees. So friends, this is all. And if you compare at the time, the Rahu and Ketu, the eclipse which of 2019, when the coronavirus started, was exactly over the axis of Rahu and Ketu, which took place at the time of 2001, September 2001. Now, at the time of September 2001, after the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the sign Taurus, the happening took place. Jupiter had gone a house ahead. It had gone in Gemini. After the Jupiter and Saturn in Taurus, it had gone in Gemini, the sign of US. And then in the Jupiter was also afflicted by Rahu and Ketu, and Jupiter was also aspected by Mars. So that is why all this happening took place. So now also the things are not very conducive, and I can say Rahu and Ketu at the time of 9/11 in the Gemini and Sagittarius axis at 9.11 degrees, and at the solar eclipse on the 26th December 20, Sun and Moon were at 9.56 degrees in the Sagittarius sign over Ketu. Mars was very close to Ketu, the disease Karka, on the 9/11, and we all know at the time of solar eclipse on the 26th there was 6 planets in Sagittarius. Now the eclipse of the 14th December is taking place after the completion of the 19 years and the 20th year running from 2001. So again, there is a conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter in the trinal sign from Taurus. So as I have already written before, the conjunction takes place in the triplicates. So after 60 years it will reach that sign. So the 9/11 episode took place after the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the sign Taurus, and now in Capricorn. The worst could be when Jupiter and Saturn both retrograde in the sign Capricorn from the 15th September to 21st November 2021. So, and from the cases above, we can come to the conclusion that in all cases Jupiter and Saturn conclusion has brought untoward. Jupiter and Saturn conjunction has brought untoward happenings. Also, Rahu and Ketu in Gemini Sagittarius sign is most venomous, and when activated also were responsible for untoward happenings. The 5 planets in the sign Scorpio is most enigmatic now when the solar eclipse is taking place now on the 14th December 2020. The Jupiter immediately losing in planetary war within 7 days from the eclipse is an enigmatic one for wars, virus, earthquakes, political turmoil, strikes, agitations and disturbance in weather, since the Mercury is totally eclipsed by Ketu. The virus spikes are not ruled out. Matsya Purana, the classic for omens, states that if within 7 days there is planetary war from the eclipse, then all these happenings can take place. But there will be a grace that if there is a rain before the planetary war within 7 days, within 6 days. So let us expect, I expect a rain, and there will be some grace, but definitely if it doesn't rain, then the things will become most enigmatic and valueless. A new virus can also come out, is not ruled out. You know, the spikes in the coronavirus can also take place, and a new virus can also come, because Jyestha is the Gandanta nakshatra between watery and fiery signs, and Scorpio sign is the most important for cancerous the growth. Let me tell you this as far as medical part is concerned. So this eclipse taking place in the sign Scorpio is prone to cancerous growth. So whosoever are having combinations of Mercury, Rahu in Scorpio, Mercury in Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer sign, Mercury, Rahu, Mercury, Mars, and then Moon, Rahu, like that. So they are prone to it. And then you have to see whether these planets are in Sarp Dareshun, Pasa Dareshun, and the D6 and the D8 charts have to be seen for individual cases. Then, as I have already told you, the grace is only when it rains, you know, and let us see if it rains. Now, US suffers, it's in the media news, US suffers its worst week of cases, deaths, and hospitalization since the start of the pandemic. So the planetary positions are speaking themselves, and whatever I have predicted, it's coming, proving spot on, and astrology is speaking loudly. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that it is a very tough time which is coming, and this eclipse is taking place in the Lagna of Delhi. So Delhi can also be influenced the most. Delhi can have cold breeze, the weather can drop, you can have rain, and the temperature may go down quite a bit, maybe 4 or 5 degrees than the normal temperature what we experience in the time of winter. So friends, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day, and bye bye.